This is the Veggie from the Underground character pop-up tutorial. Like all the parent-child projects, it comes in a 3-person set, but schools, community groups, kids parties, etc. can always order a bulk set. Just email me at ZeroToGrown@gmail.com. Okay, look, the set comes with a character sheet that has 6 Veggies from the Underground characters, so that gives you 2 characters per person. Also, an instruction sheet, 1 pack of crayons, and a glue stick. Remember, teamwork and communication is key with PC projects, and sharing is caring. This project is great for kids 5 and up only because the scissor craftsmanship may need that parental touch. Yeah, show the youngsters how to do it right. Okay, let's see how fast I can do this tutorial. Remember, you can always pause the video and go back. Step 1. Use the scissors to carefully cut a square around the 2 characters of choice. You do not want to cut along the lines yet because it will be harder to color. Step 2. Color in the 2 characters. Step 3. Now cut along the outside line of the characters. Step 4. Take a sheet of paper and fold the tall side in half. Step 5. On the inside of the folded paper, you can place the feet of the character on the fold to see where they will be on the page. But color behind the characters. Draw and color any scene you want your character to be on the inside fold of the paper. Step 6. Fold the paper closed. Place the characters on the folded sheet with the bottom of the feet even with the folded side of the paper. Step 7. Do not cut the character, but cut 2 lines in the folded side of the paper up to the shoulders of your character. 1 line for each shoulder. Now do the same for the other character. Should only be 4 cuts. Step 8. Open the folded paper and pull the cut parts forward. Step 9. Apply glue to both front halves of the cutout fold and paste the characters to it. Step 10. Fold the paper closed and open it back up. Step 11. Enjoy your Veggies from the Underground character pop-up. Hope you enjoyed, and head over to ZeroToGrown.com to find out what will be next week's parent-child project.